subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has finally launched its new affordable phone under C series in Indonesia called Realme C15. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C15 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme C15 supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad rear camera houses a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP black and white sensor and 2MP retro sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. And additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75.9 by 9.8mm and it weighs around 209 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C15 has been priced in Indonesia for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at 1,999,000 Indonesian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 2,199,000 Indonesian rupees, and the higher variant with 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2,499,000 Indonesian rupees. The smartphone comes in marine blue and seagull silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.